Here's the difference from success and failure, guys. Look at this. Right now, it's 5:15 a.m. It's absolutely freezing in the hallway, guys. About to go work out, make the video, and start working early. When was the last time you guys woke up at 5 a.m. on a weekday? I'm not Joe Rogan, no kettlebells today. Make sure to like the video, guys, and subscribe below if you haven't already. It really helps the channel. The hardest part about waking up early in the morning, guys, is just simply getting out of bed. The hardest part about making that cold call, guys, is just accepting that fear of rejection. The hardest part about working out is just going to the gym consistently, guys. Even though I'm not perfect, guys, with avoiding snooze, getting those dials in and waking up early, I found a really good strategy for me is as soon as you feel that resistance urge, as soon as you hear that alarm and you're like, oh shit, I can't get up right now, you gotta use that feeling in the first 5 seconds to take immediate action. If you see that girl you like and you wanna talk to and you feel a little nervous, you just gotta take immediate action. Don't think about it and use that signal, that nervousness as a feeling to go for it. If you're sitting there a little bit anxious and you don't know if you wanna make cold calls, you gotta use that feeling as a sign that you could just need to immediately dive headfirst and go into it. It's like when you're jumping off a small 10-foot cliff into a pool or into an ocean. You're scared, you don't like the heights. You gotta look at that and say, I gotta jump immediately. That's why in the plane when they're skydiving, guys, they say, 3, 2, and then jump. They don't want you thinking about it. You just gotta take immediate action. My favorite part about waking up early, guys, and getting after it, it's the wellness center right here, is that I'm guessing there's gonna be nobody in here. It's 5 a.m. Who else is waking up at 5 a.m. on a midweek day just to go get the workout in, guys? We're gonna get the workout in, we're gonna make the video, and then we're gonna start making some cold calls and start slinging some software sales, guys. This is what I like to do. I just wanted to show this to you guys. Let me see if there's a clock in here. I don't know if there's a clock in here, but on my phone, guys, it's 5:15 a.m. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, we're training for a marathon right now. I'm about to run 5 quick miles, get the sweat in, get it going, and just get yourself right for the day. I found that it doesn't really matter what your morning routine is. As long as you get up, get some immediate quick wins, you're gonna be more disciplined and go get more done throughout the day. Versus if you heard your alarm and you said, I can't get out of bed, it's too cold outside, it's snowing, whatever it is, then that's gonna carry you through your day and that's gonna be your mindset and you may not get as much done, guys. Just wanted to put this together to prove to you. I think I'm gonna start doing this a little bit more often. I know there's not a huge takeaway from this message. I hope the video was helpful in some way and got you guys inspired to go out and do more and be more in as a person and with your day as a whole today. So use this as your reminder. Just go out, make things happen. Don't let anything hold you back. And we'll talk to you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe the video.